If you ever want to hold an American alligator, a stop at Gator Country near Beaumont, Texas is a must. Come on in, let's take a look. Gator Country is home to over 450 American alligators, crocodiles, a diverse array of reptiles, and various mammals. These animals come to them through nuanced rescues, donations, and other institutions, or due to abandonment. Over the years, they've collaborated closely with local and state authorities, as well as the public, to become the premier sanctuary for nuanced alligators in Texas. They're committed to providing a safe haven for these creatures for the entirety of their lives. At Gator Country, 90% of their residents have been surrendered, rescued, or otherwise entrusted to their care. During your visit, you'll have the unique opportunity to engage with their diverse wildlife. From wading among the gators to interacting with snakes, lizards, tortoises, caimans, and more. Additionally, don't miss their educational and feeding shows, led by their dedicated interns hailing from across the U.S. and even beyond. If you're looking to see American alligators, a stop at Gator Country is a place to be.